Introducing Dexter's DEX360 Smart Trailer System. This groundbreaking solution gives drivers the peace of mind that their trailer is secure and operating safely. With Dexter leading the market space with advanced technologies and bringing automotive technologies to the trailer industry, DEX360 brings safety, security, innovation, and convenience to your trailer. From a virtual odometer and geofencing security with GPS tracking, to safety monitoring of crucial components like battery levels and tire pressure, you will be assured as you drive knowing Dexter is supporting you. Nothing can put a damper on a trip than discovering a flat tire. With DEX360, you will be notified via the app of low tire pressure when it happens. This allows you to address the problem before it becomes an emergency. Being notified of a tire losing pressure provides you peace of mind while traveling or prior to leaving on a trip. With DEX360 geofencing capabilities, you can see the location of your trailer 24/7. With the asset tracking feature, you will be notified when your trailer is moved out of its designated location. No longer are the days of discovering after the fact that a trailer has been stolen or moved with little or nothing to do about it. The virtual odometer with DEX360 gives you notifications for certain maintenance milestones as you put miles on your trailer, allowing you to address maintenance and potential problems before they become issues. Gone are the days of forgetting to charge your battery before picking up a load in your dump trailer. With DEX360, you will be notified of a low battery before it becomes a problem, and you can complete the job without any issues. Whether your battery is on your dump trailer or your RV, DEX360 provides you the data you need to keep you on the move. Dexter is the first to market with a comprehensive automotive-style safety and security system for trailers. With DEX360, you will have the peace of mind that your trailer is safe and secure.